You were the sex dream of my magazine. You blew my mind like no one of the humankind. You were the only one I could ever speak. The secret language between us in the sheets. You made my mind and body so hot. You turned this wild child into a lady by night. And when I met you long ago, I was so alone. My heart was beating so fast, I had to write this song. And it goes, you make me feel so beautiful. It's like the sun is always shining when you are in control. You are my mystery, and there's no way I can explain the way you make me feel. Midnight loving on your balcony, I'm feeling wobbly on the knees. Who thought that would be me? You lift me up to where I wanna be. You make everything so clear, I can finally see. You are the one that I always think about. My first love that I made this song about. You know me well and you always make me feel like I'm the one, and I know your love is one. I love it when you whisper in my ear. You say the sweetest things that I wanted to hear. I never thought I could feel this way, and when I leave you in the morning, I think of you all day. I feel so peaceful after we make love. I lay in you forever, just like the sweetest drug. And the whole world around us stop and stare. It feels so good to fall asleep knowing that you are there. Come on, you make me feel so beautiful. It's like the sun is always shining when you're in control. You